Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the long-term review of the Realme Watch 2. So I've been using this watch since from 45 days, and in this video I'll be sharing my experience with this watch. So just to give you an idea, inside this box you get this uh, magnetic charging dock and some paperwork. Realme Watch 2 is priced at 3500 rupees. Even the recently launched Mi Band 6 is also priced at the same price point. So you can definitely consider this before buying one. So talking about the build quality, the entire frame is made up of the polycarbonate material and comes with three placeable silicone straps. As it is polycarbonate build, it weighs only 38 grams. That makes it very lightweight and you can wear it for long hours without feeling uncomfortable. It has 1.4 inch LCD display, and it supports up to 600 nits of peak brightness. So viewing angles are really very good in indoor and outdoor conditions. And the UI is very fluid and there's no lag whatsoever. Swiping left from the home screen will take you to this quick toggle access center, where you can enable or disable DND mode, battery saver, and you can adjust the brightness level from here itself. Swiping bottom from the top will take you to the notification center, where you can read the notifications, but you cannot reply to those notifications from here. Now swiping right will take you to this menu, where you can see the steps and the calories that you burn, and it also displays the heart rate monitor, and you can view the weather and control the music from the watch. Swiping up will take you to this app drawer menu, where you can find heart rate monitoring, SPO monitoring, alarm, weather, music control, find my device settings, etc. Let's have a look at one by one. Inside settings, you get these all options to customize. You can change the watch faces from here, or you can press and hold on home screen for a few seconds to change watch faces. So yeah, next going to the display, here you can change the brightness level of the display, and you can set the screen timeout. Then there is rise to wake and do not disturb mode, battery, general. You get these options, where you can change the app drawer layout to list or grid. I'll change it to list now, just to give you an idea how it looks. Now here you can also change the vibration strength. You can power it off, or restart or reset. So this is how it looks when you change the app drawer layout to list. So there's a activity menu, where you can see the steps and calories you burned and the distance you walked, etc. There is heart rate and SPO monitoring. I have compared the results with the oximeter, and the results are somewhere nearby to this, but not 100% closer to this. Same goes with SPO monitoring also. And there is sleep monitoring. As you can see, the sleep data, it says 8 hours 54 minutes. So it shows you the timings and the time that you were awake, and light sleep, deep sleep. So in terms of sleep monitoring, it's pretty much a good, I would say. It shows accurate results. Now talking about the workouts, there are total 90 workout modes that supports. So yeah, and workout records, it shows the workout records. Then there is alarm. You can set an alarm from the smartwatch itself. There is weather, stopwatch, timer, music control, camera, and there is also breathing exercise thing, where you can take a breathing exercise for 1 minute or 5-10 minutes. And there's also find my device. Yeah, it works pretty much fine. And the good thing about this is it supports Realme Link app. So if you have any Realme devices, like I have Realme Buds Q2, so you can control gaming mode or something like that from the uh, smartwatch itself. Talking about the battery life, company claims that you get 12 days of battery life, but uh, if you enable the notifications and the heart rate, 24 hours of heart rate monitoring, you might get roughly about 5 to 6 days of battery life. Yeah, you might get 12 days of battery life if you disable the notification and 24 hours of heart rate sensor, and it takes only 2 hours to fully charge the smartwatch. So yeah, that's really good. So this is the Realme Link app where you can manage all your workout data and other stuff through smartphone. So this is how it looks in the application. As you can see here, you can manage daily activities and view the sleep data and heart rate and SPO measurements and other stuff. And also you can choose the watch faces from the application. There are more than 100 plus watch faces that you can choose. And going to more options, as you can see here, you can enable or disable call reminders, and you can also set the health reminders, that's stand up reminder, water reminder, etc. So overall, Realme Watch 2 is a really good smartwatch if you can get it for around 3000 rupees. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and like the video. Thank you.